Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, I show you how to manage and arrange menus. First, click on Products. Then go to Menus. You're now in the overview of your menus. To add a new one, simply click on plus Add Menu. A new window will open where you can enter the information of the new menu. Start by giving it a name. To do so, use the corresponding text field. Then click on Save to apply the changes. To now manage your menus, select the menu you want to adjust. Then the main categories will appear right next to it. There are now two ways of adding a submenu. If you like to add a new submenu to the selected menu, click on plus Add Submenu. And if you want to add a new submenu under an already existing submenu, use the plus icon of the corresponding submenu. The following steps are the same for both ways of adding a submenu. A new window will open where you have to fill in the necessary information. Start by adding the name into the corresponding text field. To distinguish the submenus by each other better, you can add a color to the submenu. Select one by using the corresponding drop-down menu. For further simplicity in the order process, you can add an image to the submenu. Simply click on plus Upload Image. Only JPG, PNG, and JPEG files of maximum 4 MB are supported. Once you set up the submenu, click on Save to apply the changes. To get a better overview on what submenus already exist, unfold the subcategory by using the down-facing arrow. To now add products to your submenu, either search for a product by using the search bar or expand the product groups by using the respective down-facing arrow. Then select the products you want to add to the submenu by setting the respective check mark. If you only want to add one product, you don't need to set the check mark. Afterwards, drag the selected items into the desired submenu. If you selected multiple products, it's enough to drag one product. The others will automatically be assigned to the desired submenu as well. To arrange the position of your added article, drag and drop the article to your preferred position. An orange line will appear below, on top of your article, when arranging it to indicate the new position. If you want to adjust information about a submenu within this menu, use the editing icon. If you wish to delete a submenu, click on the bin icon. To make sure you are not deleting an item by accident, you will be asked to confirm your action. To do so, click on Delete. Both actions, adjusting and deleting a submenu from a menu, are applicable to the articles inside the menus as well. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to manage and arrange menus. Keep in mind, since changes have been made, you must send them to your system by navigating to the General Settings.